the best analyst you can think of at this point in time. Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited, is with me in the studio. Ambrose, good morning. It's a pleasure having you on the program.
That's what I mean, blessing.
Let's get talking now. Give us an overview of what played out at the NGS last week, Monday off to Friday. And do you think, with the look of things now, was he going to experience the same momentum in this particular new week? Your thoughts?
You just said it off by, we think that the market was up for the previous week. Which, for me, it's not news again. For 2 consecutive weeks now, I've seen the market in the green. For straight 10 days, market has been in green. And for me, it's a good enough for Nigerian market. And you mentioned that it's very, very, germane that people should understand. When market is going up, look at what is the great, what we call a market internal. What have moved these stocks up? We said it earlier that it's highly priced stocks that have moved the market up. It tells you that there are some industries and businesses that are yet to move that create opportunity. But because of the alternative market, which is the physical market that we're seeing high yield, this high cap stock, I call them the trillionaires club. These trillionaire club are the ones that you see that either in their in their earnings or their market cap, they have been in trillion. And because they're in trillion, don't forget that when our market hit the highest in 2008, it was around 68,000 index. And in the bank that I put the market there. But now, I see that a lot of new stocks are coming to the market that also supported the index. That means, for me, if you're analyzing the market, you're looking at index alone, I think you are really doing a mistake because, yes, we know that in anywhere in the world, and when the general market is going up, have capacity of drawing other sectors and stock up. But in this case, it's those few high cap stocks are the one moving the index. That means investors that is time look at sectors and industries where they cannot position. Now for 10 days market has been up. It also gives a signal that profit taking is underway already. Because why? Anywhere in the world is the market dynamics that when stock goes up, you're bound to take profit. Another thing that in this market that those high caps that move up now, if you're in there, they want to sell, they are not ready to buy single stocks. See, they've gone up to this level, but if you want to sell now, only few of them can see buy, especially like a stock like MTN and transport power is available, but others that are high cap stock, you might not sit at that price to buy, or you want to sell. Especially if you want to sell, you want to be to come out to move. For me, I think investors should think at what am I doing in the market? Let your investment objective guide you so that you not trade your plan to know where to be. But I believe that our market has all it takes to deliver value. But when you are also earning anything below inflation, like those that are in physical market, all the name of they are running for safety, they're running for safety because they feel like, federal bond, is backed by federal government integrity and all. But don't forget that in Ghana, with all the integrity they have in Ghana, we saw Ghana bond failing. For me, investors should think, how can I also diversify all this risk? That's why there's also risk in it. They say it's risk-free. I don't let it out. There's risk in it. Also, when you are earning below inflation, you're already in negative return. That means you should not balance the portfolio. Where can I also get value and where can I also protect my what? My earnings, because if your inflation is eroding your earnings, it doesn't mean you are not making money. That's why you need to, where can I hedge against inflation? And which I believe that there are some stocks, not us, and that's some, that yes, if you are going to earn dividend, capital position, you cannot stay ahead of inflation. That means diversify your portfolio and also invest strategically. This is not the time to follow all the bad work going on. Invest strategically. Look at some stocks that have some futures, some quality that yes, they are different from others, and position in them.
All right. Now, talking about inflation, now we saw the inflation report come out on Monday, on Friday, 31.7%. It seems like the market is not reacting to inflation. What's your thought on this?
No, like I said, it's the high cap stock that put the market up.
Okay.
Most people are also looking at what is the yield in the equity space. And I told them earlier in one of the class over the weekend that this is not the time for you to start getting 10% yield in a company.
Okay.
But you target that which company on the exchange are growing their dividend payout.
Okay.
We notice that some companies that results, we saw a decline that we call dividend cost in what they did. What they are paying lower than what they paid to 2022. You as an investor target those that will grow their dividend. Also, because want to do that because that's what they grow their earning too. That is hard to invest. If a company is growing their dividend and earning, their price will respond to that growth because it's moving about. When your price is 10% yield and your price is stable and you're not making money because you are ready to make money either in capital position or in dividend. And that will be that for me. There's no need for investors to panic. Look at those that have the capacity to pay good dividend by growing it, then I'm positioning there.
Food price index, according to the global, the Food and Agriculture Organization, global food price index actually recorded a decline. But it's quite unfortunate that in Nigeria now, with what we are seeing, we are getting the figure or the rate surging even beyond the means of the average in Nigeria now. So what would you say is playing out in the commodities market? Because as at my check this morning, a bag of of Nigerian rice, the foreign rice now costs 90,000 naira. In some places I heard that it will likely eat 100,000 before this month comes to an end. And also come to think of the fact that in Ramadan, the Muslim fast is ongoing, and then their celebration will be coming up shortly after the fast. And so much increase we're going to be seeing in the commodities price market. What do you have to say concerning all of this?
For me, the rest of intricacies and dynamics in the economy, as to speak.
Yeah.
And I believe that president need people that are smart. He need economists, not really people that work in a bank to come and head the CBN. What means that at this point, people that will think outside the box, we need a strong team. You know, why I say so is that to start with, you know, an economy where inflation is high, already the reserve will have, even though we're going to open all the reserve Nigeria have and give to Nigerians, under 2 months the reserve is empty.
Exactly.
We need continuity. And here you are using inflation, you are using interest rate to fight inflation. Why know that our inflation is not? People say it is liquidity push. I tell them anywhere, it's not liquidity push. Liquidity we are CBN is always quoting for us. It's in few hands and which they know. It's not in the system. If you are having a liquidity push, that means we're having too much money
in the sector. Yeah.
That's not the case. Our own is cost push. That means means already as we are increasing interest rates, we are adding to the cost we are talking about. And also people also will put this cost in the price of what they are producing automatically. And also the food basket, which is major in the inflation, people are not producing. Farmers are outside the farm because of insecurity. That is why if you sit down in the CBN or 8 of you as a community member sit down and continue to hike interest rate to attract foreign investor, you are creating an additional problem by putting your people to the corner. The economy is not there, but then you are getting inflow of dollar. To do what? We are not a dollar economy. Highest is to encourage backward integration and let Nigeria start producing. That means I tell them, yeah, CBN, they are not wrong. We know they also look at your theories, but at times you sit and say my economy is different from what I'm seeing in mature economy. That means I might not import their policy to my economy.
Of course,
let's look at what is happening in Nigeria. We know that this is not liquidity push. I tell them anytime. They say people tell that has to so flow in circulation. It's a whole circulation. This is not in Nigeria. It's in few people's hands, like who they know, and that's why FS is having issue. Because those Nigerians, they all want buying the FS, and this FS is not used for production. Why people that need FS to produce are not getting it? That's why the price is going high. No, I think for me, if you sit down as a government, and also those that are also in government, they know what they are earning. They know also what they are doing. Let's tell ourselves, let's put Nigeria first. Even many people, let's put Nigeria first. So because I tell you, the way we are going, remember I said that this office that there's a country that I know that they want to buy bread, a loaf of bread.
Yes.
They carry a bag of Ghana must go to go and buy bread. Money to buy bread.
We pray it doesn't get to that level.
That's why we need to sit up.
All right. In 30 seconds, what's your outlook for today's trading section?
No, actually, the market has opened in a light green.
All right.
And I believe that that light green might also not be sustained. But one thing is very important. All these high cap stocks that I mentioned earlier, if there's any profit taken in them, the market will close in red because they are the ones that sustain the market. We have not seen much earnings to tell us direction as we speak now. That's why all eyes are still on, especially the banking result and other service companies.
Ambrose Omodion, Chief Research Officer, Invest Data Consulting Limited. Thank you so much for your time with me on the show this morning.
Thanks for having me.
All right, we'll stay put with that.